Hello everyone, let's solve GATE paper CS1 2025 question number 42. Consider the following four variable Boolean function in sum of the product form. F of B1, B2, B2, B3, B2, B1 and B0 equal to summation of 0, 2, 4, 8, 10, 11, 12, where the values of the function in the computed by considering B3, B2, B1 and 0 as a 4-bit binary number, where B3 denotes the most significant bit and B0 denotes the least significant bit. Notice that there are no don't care terms. Which one of the following option is correct? Minimized Boolean expression for function. So we are given four options and we need to figure out the minimized Boolean expression. So let's start by understanding the prerequisites of this particular question. So in order to understand this particular question, we need to first understand what a Boolean function is. So a Boolean function, as mentioned here, called f of b3, b2, b1, and b0. A Boolean function maps input like these to a binary output. Either it is 0 or either it is 1. A sum of product, which is the SOP, form the list min terms combination of variable where the function output 1. A sum of product form list min terms, basically combination of variables where the function outputs 1. What are min terms? Let's understand that. This keyword must be a bit daunting for you. Let's understand what min terms are. So here it is mentioned that summation of 0 to 4, 8 SOP 10, 11, and 12. This is what it is mentioned. It represents a min term where the function is 1. It actually represents a min term where the function is 1. Convert these number into the 4-bit binary format since there are B3, B2, B1, and B0. So let's write all of them one by one. So if I start writing one by one, all of them, then it will look somewhat like this. So if I start writing, then 0 will be represented as 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 can be represented as, sorry, not 1, 2 basically, because 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 8, 10, 11, and 12. 2 can be represented at 0, 0, 1, 0. 4 can be represented at 0, 1, 0, 0. 8 can be represented as 1, 0, 0, 0. 10 can be represented as 1, 0, 1, 0. 11 can be represented as 1, 0, 1, 1. 12 can be represented at 1, 1, 0. So these are the binary formats of these in 4-bit format. Now let's understand Karnaugh map, which is K map. A 4-variable K-map is a 4 by 4 grid that is used to simplify Boolean expression. It is a 4 by 4 grid which simply helps in simplifying the Boolean expression. We can place ones for the min terms and find the groups to minimize the expression. Again, I'm repeating, we will place ones for the min terms and find groups either having 1, 2, 4, or 8 cells to minimize the expression. So what we do, we assign rows as B3, B2 and columns as B1, B0 using gray code ordering for the columns and rows. Binary order output for 2 bits will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. These are the binary order for 2 bits in gray code. Okay. So I hope you guys know what gray code ordering is. So we start from the, if you guys don't know, then basically in gray code ordering, we started with 1 here, 0 here, then we filled this with 1, and then we started with 0. So there are two options, either I start with 1, either I start with 0. So combinations are these are nothing but combinations. So this is 0 and in integer format, this is 1 in integer format, this is 3 in integer format, this is 2 in integer format. Okay. So let's do the step-by-step K map filling and understand how it is working. Till now we have done whatever we can. Let's fill the K map. If I start writing, then B3, B2 slash B1, B0, it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And if I write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So the first value will be the most significant bit I fill 1. Then I fill 0. Then I fill, let's fill all this 0. And let's fill this as 1. So this is what the like filling will look like. So what we will do, we will mark the ones at the position using binary combinations of min terms. So now let's simplify the grouping. So from the table which was given to us, let me write that. I don't know why I deleted it. So let me shorten that table. So it will be B3, B2 slash B1, B0. It will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Another term will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. It is filled with 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now we are going to mark the right ones using binary combination for the min terms. Let's simplify by grouping ones. So if I start grouping ones, then common among min terms are B1 dash and B2 dash. B0 dash, sorry. Since both are 0, both of them are 0. And another thing which I can see is common among min terms are it appears for 0 B1 B0 common among this. So how am I able to say that these are common among 0 0 0 0 and it is also common among 0 0 1 0. It is common among 1 triple 0. This is 0. This is 2. This is 8. And it is common among 1 0 1 0. And it is 10. Where else it is common also? So now this is done. B3 is equal to 0 or 1. It is not common much. And B2 is any, which is again not common. So this group gave hint of B1, B0, B1 dash, B0 dash. Basically, this group gives a hint of that. So we can take group 2 as well. Let's try the group 2 with cell 4 and 12. So if I try with cells 4 and 12, uh, which is basically 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 0 0, then it will look somewhat like this, that B3 is 0 and 1, not common. B2 is equal to 1, that is common. And B1 is equal to 0, that is common. If you guys don't understand what is B3, B2, B1, 0, this is what the representation initially was. That we are the only one figuring out. B3 is the most significant bit, na? And B0 is also 0, which is common. B0 is also 0, which is common. Once that is done, we will get group 3, cell 10s and 11s, cell 10 and cell 11. So that is basically, if I take for 10, 10 will be 1010 and 11 will be 1011. So B3 is common, B2 is 0 common, B1 is 0 common, and B0 is 0 and 1 not common. This is in the group 3 case. And group 3, gives basically B3, B2 dash and B1. So B3 for 1 and dash means like 0 here. So this is one of the case which is given. And what else we can check? So final minimalized expression will be, like after all this, if you guys see the final minimized expression, final one, it will look somewhat like this. So f of B3, B2, B1 and B0 will be equal to B1 dot B0 plus B2, B1 dash, B0 dash plus B3, B2 dash, B1. Okay, if options are given, we can see this is matching with which one? So if you check yourself, this is matching with option A. So option A is the right answer for this particular question. That's it for this particular question. It is a bit difficult because people get confused in the K map filling and everything. So yeah, that's it for this particular question. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next question.